Can I say your name? Can I say your name today? Can I say your name? Can I say your name today? Can I say your name? Can I say your name my way? Can I say your name? Can I say your name today? Said I cannot say your name. Can I say your name? And when I put it in today, I wanna say some name and I wanna show you love. That's why I wanna say your name. But when I shout it out, official Jamie Yoder, can I say your name today? Miss Aisha, can I say your name today? So Joseph, you're the woman, every woman around me. Yes, I'm over here, I put it up, I own it, be. So can I say your name? Can I say your name today? So can I say your name? Can I say your name my way? So can I say your name? Can I say your name? Everybody, can I say your name? Say your name. Yes, your name. I wanna go and say your name. I'm telling you. I'm saying this, I'm doing this, I'm owning this. Saying that Joseph Jordan, every woman, wellness and more. That can I say your name today? I said I got some more. The inner Buddha of the destiny, the namaste. I'm gonna say your name and I say it's some more. Oh me, very saying that yes I say your name. Yes I say your name and when I deep up in this game. Yes, I'm in this game, I wanna say your name. Said I cannot say your name over here today. I say your name, say your name. Living say that can I really say your name? Say your name, say your name. Oh yes, I really wanna say your name. Say, can I say your name? Can I say your name? So can I say your name over here today? So can I say your name? Can I say your name? Or can I say your name and I say it my way? So when I say your name and I'm showing love, yes, I'm over here giving virtual hugs. I wanna say your name when we're saying your name. Everybody, when I say your name, I say your name. Yes, your name. I'm over here to say your name. I say your name. Oh, yes, your name. To everybody, do you even know your name? Say the most hated bronze cloud power God. The can I say your name and I say it's not hard. The potty kitchen garden and the more in the house. Oh yes, I say your name cause I'm from the south. The ray of sunshine, can I say your name? Yes, I'm over here just to say his names. Names is over here like it's just for me. Yes, I'm saying your name when I own this beat. Say your name. I'm saying your name. I'm saying your name. I need your name. I'm saying your name. Oh, yes, your name. Yes, your name. Oh, it's your name. Send a ray of sunshine. Oh, yes, that's what I do. Still, I'm over here to say your name on it too. The Baba Pen Apollo OC channel. Oh, yes, I'm saying your channel when we up on ya. The William Robertson, and now I'm saying your name. Yes, I'm over here to just to say your name. The TWP popcorn is in the house. What's poppin' and we saying it now. The can I say your name? Can I go and say your name? The can I say your name? The I'm over here to say your name. Say believe in yourself. Can I say your name? Miss Frugal, can I really say your name? Barbara again in the house today. I hope you don't mind saying your name today. So Sally in my virgin when I'm saying your name. The big booster shoulder when I'm saying your name. Everybody, do you know about me? But still I'm over here, that's just to say your name. I say your name. I say your name. I say your name. I say your name. Can I say your name? I say your name. I say your name. I say your name. Say, can I say your name? Can I say your name? So can I say your name over here today? So can I say your name? Can I say your name? I wanna say your name over here my way. So can I say your name? Can I say your name? I wanna go over and say your name. So can I say your name? Can I say your name? So everybody, can I say your name? I wanna say